Hey boaters, welcome. Today we are stepping aboard Cannonball here in beautiful Door County, Wisconsin. We have a 2017 Cruisers. It's a 338 SS. Got ourselves this beautiful larger day boat with some overnight capabilities. I'm going to start here back on the swim platform at the transom. We have really nice South Beach edition upholstery throughout the vessel. The rear transom seat here is electronic. Push a button. This whole bench folds down into a large flat sunbed that a few people can lay on, catch some rays. Overhead now I have the shade extended out. Otherwise you can retract this back, get a bunch of sun, but otherwise nice power shade optioned as well on this boat. So got swim ladder, all your electric and dock hookups here, remote stereo switching here at the transom, plenty of cup holders, nice walk-through transom here with gate. And let's step on board into the cockpit. Right away, got a nice little fridge, sink, convenient trash location, everything here close by. Right now I got the table set up, but we have a nice cushion cover for the table and you can tuck that away. Beautiful social seating, nice mood lighting. And then this is fun. The co-captain's chair here on the port side is really large enough, like a little love seat. You can have two people sit here, and that swivels, of course, to face forward when you're underway. Otherwise, turn the seat around and join in the conversation. And really a fun social setup. Great for entertainment. We have the bolstered helm seat here with folding armrest. Got joystick piloting, Marine touchscreen for radar and navigation, Merc vessel view, and then your kicker sound system stereo head unit as well. Very commanding, everything at your fingertips. Now let's step up front here. Lots of storage as we make our way to the bow area. I love the little port lights that they put in, as well as the skylight to really give that cabin down below some extra lighting and open feel. You got a lot of storage along the walkway here for lines, fenders, life jackets, whatever you want to put in. Of course, the windshield does close fully, and you have the windscreen here, so you can get out of the weather in the rear cockpit while you're underway if you want to stay out of the wind. So again, lots of storage. Cruisers always makes great use of space. So up here in the bow, really massive seating, fun area to hang out. Just really expands the capabilities and usage of this boat. So everything's nice and upholstered. Upholstery's in nice shape. There's no rips or tears. It's not all beat up. Got your electric windlass. Of course, you can operate up front here or from the helm. Again, plenty of cup holders, chargers, another stereo control for the volume and such up here, separate up in the bow area, and lots of storage. So we do have a subwoofer and everything up here for the sound system. So storage here, we got some water toys. Like to do a little skiing and wakeboarding. That's stowed on board. Love a nice designated spot for a cooler here. So if you want to bring one on board and keep it up in the front bow area. And then lots of storage. I have the canvas here, the bow cover and poles all tucked away. Everything's on nice hinge flip out cushions. And they flip out away from the back wall. So that way you can get into them nice and easy, so they don't bind on all this nice big cushioning. Really smart design. Great job as always by Cruisers there. Let's make our way up. Love too. Extra cleats on the side for fenders, depending where you need to put fenders. So plenty of cleats. Step on down into the cabin. Some nice wood treads and cabinetry. You do have air conditioning here on board, so AC unit control conveniently located here in the cabinets. You got your AC DC panels, nice stainless steel fridge, convenient little trash in the corner, nice little seating area, and of course this expands out, pulls, put in a filler cushion for your overnight capabilities, plenty of room for 2 people. You got more stereo controls, chargers, plug-ins, a lot of space down here. Plenty of space. There's that nice skylight. You can get yourself a little convection microwave oven. A lot of use of storage again. The seats all flip up. You got some hinges that hold that up for you. They got some different water toys and stuff tucked away. Some nice side lights. Let in a little extra light there. Again, more storage, more water toys. Great use of space. And then you have a nice stand-up head. This is a wet head, so you can pull out, take a little shower if need be. Curtain. Great little space. So again, this 2017 Cruisers 338 is available here in Door County, Wisconsin at SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, either give us a call or stop by. We'd love to see you.